Wifey out of vet life with another issue with the vet. Okay, so I let wifey drive it. The other day, she hit something. She called me, the tire was flat, the rim was bent, and so I went and put one of the factories on and got the rim fixed and actually bought a new rim. But I took it to the dealer because I've been hearing a rattle. Something ain't right, you know. You hear a little rattle because I don't play the radio, so I was just like silence, and I could hear it. It just been bothering me. So I did everything I could. I looked everywhere. I looked in the back. I looked in the front, everywhere. The dealer say that it's this strut thing. So I purchased the strut thing. But the dealer, just from telling me what it was a couple hundred. And then they wanted another $4 to put it on. I went and purchased the part. I don't know if you can see it right there, though. The part was only $30. So now I'm going to attempt to put the part on myself. So this is at like, all I got to do is snatch the wheel off. So it ain't but 2 bolts, so it shouldn't be that difficult. And then see if that rattling stops. Because that rattling was driving me crazy.